Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize sales strategies with Best Buy. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize sales strategies with Best Buy, start by understanding your target audience. Research customer demographics and preferences to tailor your approach. Analyze past sales data to identify trends and successful products. Set clear sales goals based on your findings. Leverage Best Buy's customer insights tool to gain deeper understanding. Develop a sales plan that outlines promotional tactics and timelines. Incorporate seasonal campaigns and special promotions into your strategy. Train your sales team on the latest product features and benefits. Utilize interactive displays to engage customers in store. Leverage online platforms by integrating your sales strategy with Best Buy's e-commerce site. Utilize social media marketing to reach a broader audience. Measure the effectiveness of your sales strategies through KPIs. Gather feedback from customers to continuously improve your approach. Adjust your strategies based on performance metrics and customer responses. Stay informed about industry trends to remain competitive. Regularly refresh your promotional materials to keep them engaging. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your sales strategies with Best Buy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.